Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see, here we've got the options which are connected with the date and time. However, they are mostly inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off those switchers to be able to activate other options. Let's tap on date right now, and as you can see, just by swiping you can change the date which you want to display and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and OK to confirm. We can select the time zone, just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it to apply it. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time which you've previously set manually will also be affected by that. Here we can use the location to set the time zone. We can change the time format, which is currently based on the system language. However, you can set the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Just tap on the option and it will be immediately applied. And here we've got the dual clock, which means that your device will show two different clocks. The first one with the time from and the place you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice. So that's up to you. Simply tap on this switcher to activate it. And basically this is the whole customization. The manual customization, you can get back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers right here. You will have to set also permit the location option to use the location. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.